What if I told you there's a secret place online where you can use GPT-5, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Grok 4, generate images with models like Nano Banana, and even create videos with tech that rivals Veo 3, all for free, all unlimited, and all 100% legally? It sounds like pure clickbait, but I promise you it's not. After weeks of research, I've found the back door to the world of AI. And in this video, I'm giving you the key. The AI world is exploding. There are dozens of new models, all promising to be the next big thing. And all of them are getting more expensive. With different subscriptions and credit packs, it's confusing, and you're always afraid of paying for a tool that just isn't worth it. But relax, I have found the definitive method to get free access to the latest, most powerful AI models on the market. This is the secret that will put you light years ahead of your competition. And the best part, it's 100% legal and safe. No weird tricks, nothing that will get you banned. And I'm not just giving you the key. Stick with me to the very end of this video, and I'll show you a complete step-by-step workflow to combine these tools and start creating viral content that can actually become a source of income. But before I reveal the method, I have a gift for you. I've set up a bot that will verify if you've watched this entire video, liked, subscribed, and left a positive comment. If you do all of that, it will automatically send you a private PDF with my personal list of the best free AI tools that I have never shown on this channel. All right, let's unlock God Mode. The platform is called LMSys Chatbot Arena, and the reason it's free is pure genius. It's a research project where the biggest AI companies in the world anonymously pit their models against each other. Our job as users
is to test them and vote on which one is better. Our votes are their payment. That's why they give us unlimited access to the best AI models in existence. When you sign up, you'll see a few options. But the one you want is Direct Chat. This is your control panel. This is where you can choose exactly which AI titan you want to command. And the list is absolutely insane. You have everything. But let's see what they can really do. I'm going to select the model for GPT-5 and ask it a simple question. You are a genius business consultant. Give me 5 unconventional, high-leverage business ideas I could start tomorrow with less than $100. I hit send, it connects to the model, and look at this. It's generating a list of genuinely creative, actionable ideas. People are going to be paying a fortune for this model, and we're using it for free.
Okay, let's be real for a second. How many of your brilliant ideas have died a slow, painful death inside of PowerPoint? You have the vision, but then you waste hours just fighting with text boxes, alignments, and trying to find half-decent images. If that sounds familiar, you need to see this. This is Gamma. It's an AI-powered app that lets you create stunning presentations, documents, and even full websites in minutes without needing any design skills at all. It's not just another slide tool. Think of it as a creative engine, powered by more than 20 different AI models under the hood that automatically handles all the tedious design work for you. And you're not locked into boring linear slides. You can build entire interactive web pages or documents, whatever tells your story best. Let me just show you how fast this is. I'll start a new project and just give it a prompt. Create a pitch deck for a new AI-powered mobile app. I hit generate, and in seconds, Gamma builds a complete structured outline. I can pick a theme, and now just watch. It writes the text. It finds relevant images. It builds the entire professional-looking deck right in front of me, automatically. Don't like this image? I can find a better one with one click. Done. Want to change the entire look and feel? One click, and the theme updates instantly across every card. And when I'm ready to share, I can present directly, export it to a PDF or PowerPoint, or just send a live link. This is why over 50 million people are already using it. I use it myself to save hours of work every single week, so I can focus on what actually matters. It's an absolute game changer. You can try it completely for free at gamma.app. I've put the direct link for you in the very first line of the description and in the pinned comment. Let's try another one. I'll switch to Gemini 2.5 Pro, Google's most powerful model, and give it a productivity task. You are the world's best productivity coach. Here is my chaotic weekly schedule. Reorganize it. Tell me what to delegate or drop, and create a new optimized schedule that gives me back at least 5 hours of free time. A few moments later, it's completely restructured my week. This is a real, valuable output that would normally cost a subscription. This is the basic use, but this is where most people stop, and they are missing out on the best parts. The Arena has a hidden toolbox that we are about to open up. If you look closely, you'll see an option for web search. Let's turn that on. The list of models changes to those with live internet access. I'll pick Grok and ask it, what are the top 3 most important AI breakthroughs of the last 30 days? It will now search the web in real time and give me a summarized, up-to-the-minute report with sources. Incredible for research. But it gets better. If we turn web search off and click the Upload Image icon, the model list changes again. Now we have access to the world's best
Image generation models. I'll select Nano Banana, known for its insane realism, and prompt it, photorealistic image of an astronaut discovering a glowing alien artifact on Mars, cinematic lighting. And there it is, a perfect, high-quality image. But it's not just generation, it's editing. I can upload a photo of a modern living room, select a model like OpenAI's GPT Image 1, and prompt it, using this image as a reference, change the season outside the window from summer to a cozy, snowy winter. And just like that, it understands the context and edits the image flawlessly. And it gets even crazier. There's a hidden tab called Build Apps. Yes, you can literally generate code for simple applications. I'll ask it to create a simple web app that functions as a daily habit tracker. It will pit 2 models against each other, and in a few seconds, I get 2 different sets of fully functional code to build my app. But I've saved the biggest secret for last, the one you've been waiting for, AI video generation. To access this, you have to go to their Discord server. Once you're in, you'll find channels called Video Arena. Here, you just type the command /video and write your prompt. I'll type a cinematic, slow-motion shot of a wolf howling at a futuristic cyberpunk moon. It uses a battle mode, so it generates 2 videos from 2 different high-end models, and you vote on the winner. The quality is incredible, and while there's a daily limit, you can simply use another Discord account if you need more. Okay, we've explored all the hidden tools. Now for the most important part I promised at the beginning. I'm going to give you the exact method you can follow to start making money with this. We're going to build a viral 60-second short for platforms like YouTube and TikTok from scratch. These types of AI story videos are getting millions of views right now, and this workflow is your ticket to creating them at scale for free. This is how you can start building a real source of income with AI.
Let's build it. First, the idea. I'll use GPT-5 with web search to research 5 fascinating, little-known facts about the lost city of Atlantis and write a mysterious, epic 60-second script for a YouTube short. Next, the visuals. I'll take the key scenes from that script and feed them as prompts to Nano Banana to generate our images. A shot of a brilliant underwater city, one of ancient Atlantean artifacts, and so on. Now we bring them to life. We take those incredible images over to the Discord Video Arena and use a simple command to turn each one into a short, cinematic, animated video clip. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, we've gone from a simple idea to a fully researched script with high-quality images and animated video clips, ready to be edited into a YouTube short. All created from start to finish inside this free ecosystem. My goal with this video was to save you time and money, and this platform gives you a complete arsenal to do exactly that. You have unlimited access to the world's best text models, powerful image generators, an app builder, and even a secret way to generate high-quality AI video. I hope this was useful. Don't forget, I have that bot ready to go. If you watched the full video, liked, subscribed, and left a positive comment, it will automatically send you that private PDF with my list of the best free AI tools that I've never shown on this channel. Thanks for watching.